First of all, quality assurance is process focused. It helps in the prevention of the defects. It is a proactive approach, which means it's a building of system so that defects do not occur. And it's a staff function. Quality assurance helps in building in the quality. Similarly, quality control is product focused. It helps in the detection of the defects, unlike the quality assurance which helps in the prevention of defects. So for this reason, it is reactive approach and it's a line function. The main function of quality control being the detecting the defects and then taking out the defects from the product. And main function of quality assurance is building the quality in the process.